The final enemy movement that we're going to have a look at for this unit is the follow the player, or heat-seeking movement. So let's have a look at how we do this. Just like always, we've got to set up our loop. So let's put in repeat until, and I've already set up the variable is finished here. So we just need to go through and put it in. So is finished equal to 1, and the answer is no. So this is going to go forever. I'm going to put in my go to at the beginning here, go to XY, and that's going to always reset that position as the starting position of my enemy. And actually that's all I need to do. So let's go ahead and start programming this in. So this one's a really simple one to do. All I want to do is set my point towards, but rather than pointing to mouse pointer, which is what I've got the fish set to, I want to point towards the fish. So it's always looking at the fish. Now, if we look at the speed of the fish, the speed is set to speed 10. We don't want to go the same speed. Otherwise, the game will be impossible. We want to go a lot slower. So move, maybe speed 5. Oh, and we need to put a weight on there. Otherwise, we're never going to get away from that thing. So let's put a weight of 6 seconds here. And even that speed 5 was way too fast. Let's do a speed 3. Because that 6 seconds was here because we've got the ready, set, go, which takes 6 seconds before the game loop starts. So let's have a look at that. Ready, set, go. And there we go. Now we've got him constantly following me around the level. And he's going slow enough that he can't catch me. Now what you might want to do is have some form of variable that speeds him up, or you might want to have extra versions of him spawn in. It's really up to you what you want to do. But that game mechanic's working perfectly there. So that's a really simple one as well. It's just simply put it in the loop, point forward, point towards the fish, and then move for a certain speed. Look, you're not actually bound to one of these game mechanics. If you wanted to make a variable that changed between the enemy movement mechanics, you can. So you might have all 3 of them programmed in and just say, if the score is less than 10, move in a pattern. If the score is between 11 and 20, I want you to bounce over the place, and if the score is greater than 20, then follow the fish. So you might have something like that as well. It's up to you how you want to program it. And I hope that's helped you to be able to build your enemies.